So yeah, great. So are we up and running? Excellent. So good Thursday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We got a lot of interesting things going on. In June, we're doing our annual summer cocktails at Milzinski Wine Bar here in Warsaw. So if you're interested in sponsoring or coming, please drop us a quick email, and we're going to be sending out invitations quite soon. So very can have up to 50 people. So it'll be a fun day outside, live music, and really a nice evening. Also, our Last Mile magazine coming up in June. We got a couple more advertisers for that yesterday, so that's coming together very nicely. So if you're interested in doing something in logistics or warehousing, please drop us a message. We've got digital interactive magazine for that coming out in June. Also, our SCEE Investment Awards coming up October 20th and 21st. Big stuff and a lot of investments happening in the region, so big turnout for that, so we hope to see you all there. And, let's just jump right into the commercial real estate news. How you doing, Winston?
Yeah, I'm all right, thanks, Craig.
Yeah, good to see you. So let's take a quick break, and then we'll come back and do the news with you, yeah? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the brave new world of Europa Properties Last Mile digital and interactive magazine. It's the only one of its kind to cover the Central and Eastern European region with 100% dedication and focus on industrial property and logistics. Don't miss our June edition. So welcome back. We hope you enjoyed our great commercial about Europa Property things. And Winston, let's just get right into the news, yeah?
Yeah, so this morning we've got a lot of logistics news. So a lot of continuation of the warehouse and logistics sector going on. And in the investment market, REINO IO has bought 5 logistics parks in Poland for UK's Grosvenor Group. And these 5 projects are in Łódź, Poznan, Sosnowiec, Bielsko-Biała and Rzeszów, with a total area of 209,000 square meters, so another big deal.
Big portfolio, yeah.
A big portfolio. This is the second acquisition by this group. Last year they bought a logistics city in Piotrków, which was 135,000 square meters, so 2 sizable transactions. And the acquisition was made through the Polish Logistics LLP vehicle, it's a joint venture with IO Asset Management, and the logistics facilities were bought from AEW.
Oh, okay, all right, excellent. Well, I'm sure AEW did well on those. Good time to sell, I would imagine.
A good time to sell and a good time to be in this sector, I would imagine. Yeah.
Sure.
Continuing in the logistics sector, and VGP has launched construction of a new hall in Pilsen. And this is a continuation of development in Pilsen. It's the fifth hall for VGP, and it's going to cover 10 hectares and offer nearly 50,000 square meters of a lettable area. And one of the tenants will be DHL Express, and the expected completion is in September. This is a BREEAM developed building. So according to the VGP, they strive to choose strategic locations, and in Pilsen, it's a very important hub for logistics.
Well, if DHL took space, it must be a good spot.
Yeah, it's an extension of their parcel distribution network, and again, they want to be closer to their clients. And
excellent.
Yeah, and Pilsen is a good place to do that.
Sure. Not bad beer there either.
I have no idea. And staying in logistics and industrial market, Globalworth has acquired 2 more developments in Romania, in Ared and Oradea. There's 27,000 square meters in total. The deal was 18 million euros. And according to Mihai Zaharia, he says that as we know, throughout the region, logistics and industrial is growing, and the e-commerce sector is fueling that growth.
Right.
And in the last 5 years, the growth has been substantial. So, this is the Globalworth Industrial, which is the industrial arm of Globalworth, the logistics and office developer investor.
Right. I imagine it's hard to go wrong in Romania for logistics and e-commerce.
today, I would agree with you, Craig. And staying in Romania, Adventum has acquired the Hermes Business Campus in Bucharest from the Belgian developer Atenor. This is a 3-building campus. It consists of 75,000 square meters of mixed-use office. It's fully leased, and it's a really nice development in the heart of Bucharest business district.
Right.
And this is a continuation of Adventum's high-profile acquisition strategy, in Poland, Hungary, and now Romania.
And I think Mark Ria from Sentient helped them on that. Not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure he was involved in that, or their company.
I don't know, Craig.
Well, we'll throw it out there and see if anyone complains.
He's not mentioned in the press release.
No.
And then staying in Romania and Bucharest, lots of news from Romania today. And LLP, sorry, the retailer. They've increased or doubled their logistics capacities in Bucharest.
Wow.
And they're going to start supplying Bulgaria from Romania.
Oh, excellent.
This increased capacity is extra storage because their online business is growing down there. And yeah, so according to Sylvester Dimitrescu, there's increased local market and they got increased online fashion in Bulgaria and Romania. So they're preparing for this launch into Bulgaria.
Right. Well, it's good to hear they're doing well. I mean, with all the problems of store closures, and good to see they're doubling the size and going more online.
Yeah, online and going into new countries. It's still going strong.
Yeah, well done. We done for the day?
That's it for today.
Oh, okay. Well, great. So everybody enjoy the rest of the day. The restrictions are coming off here in Central Eastern Europe, and the weather's great. So we hope that you all be safe and have a good time, and we will see you tomorrow morning.